Richard, we've dropped in to see you and test you out. So GW Martin, you're always telling us about your assembly facility. Where is it?
Well, you guys came and saw us about a year ago, and at that time I said to Paul that one of the areas we'd like to push in this business is assembly, because we see assembly as a real added value capability to the manufacturing business. So we started off with an assembly area just this side down here, and about 6 months ago we took on some new clients, and because of that we've now doubled the size of our assembly area, and we've now got we've doubled the number of people working in there. But not only that, what we've added to the assembly area is an electromechanical area, which gives us the ability to obviously put electrical parts together as well as mechanical. We're now fully loaded in there. We've got 3 people working full-time from nothing 12 months ago, and we're actually looking at expanding again. So what I'd like to do is give you a quick show in there and see what we do.
Well, let's go and have a look at the first one, which is just assembly, and the second one was electromechanical.
Exactly. That's easy for you to say.
Let's go. So, Richard, this is the first one.
Oh, hang on a minute, you can't go in there. This one,
why not?
Well, this is classified. This is our mechanical area for one of our clients, but we're doing classified work in there. So, if you don't mind, we won't go in there. But, as you can see, we're very busy. It's like we've got a number of testing capabilities in there, both sonic, engraving, and a number of other quite important sort of technical capabilities. But that is a classified business for us, and we like to try and keep it that way. The addition, though.
Can I just stop you there, though?
Yeah,
the parts in there, all manufactured in-house.
Everything's made here, absolutely. Yes, everything we assemble here is made in here. Now, there is a slight exception to that in the electromechanical side, because we're bringing in electrical components in. And we buy in screws and springs and other things like that we buy in from third parties. But that's part of the added value that we give to the client and why he likes the assembly, because everything turns up finished. He doesn't have to go and buy all those bits and pieces. We buy them for him, and then we make the complete part.
Okay. Can we go and have a look at the electromechanical then?
And we could go in there, yes.
Thanks, Richard.
You're welcome.
So, Richard,
yeah.
Air conditioning's working because your hair's going everywhere, but you've led us in the electromechanical assembly.
Yes.
Talk us through one of the parts, please.
Yes, so we're producing components in here that are both electrical and mechanical parts. We manufacture all the mechanical parts. But inside here is PCB board, wiring, as you can see. To do this effectively, you have to have anti-static matting, which we've got, anti-static matting on the benches, and also we have the wristbands for managing the current as well as we're assembling these. So this is a fully fledged electromechanical assembly area. We do a lot of test work on these. We're producing something around 5,000 to 6,000 a year of these alone. And on this particular one here, which is actually straight mechanical, although it's assembled, we're producing something close to 20,000 a year. Just to give you an idea of the throughput that's going through the assembly area right now.
Richard, great example of sort of vertical integration here, whereby you've machine shop and then you moved on to assembly. Really successful and expanding. Expanding,
yes. I mean, this is now been here 6 months, and as you can see, we've got 3 people working, and we're already struggling for space. This year is going to get busier and busier in here.
Great insight. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Ta.